Did you know Nairobi is the only city in the world where you can see wild lions just 15 minutes from a skyscraper? This isn't just any city. It's where nature meets nightlife, tradition meets innovation, and every day feels like a celebration. Welcome to Nairobi, East Africa's most vibrant city. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy more stories that show the real Africa. Nairobi's Central Business District, or CBD, is the city's pulse. From government buildings to lively cafes, here's where business, politics, and street culture collide. The energy is undeniable, fast-paced, bold, and unapologetically African. Did you know? Nairobi was once a railway depot. Today, it's a major hub for East Africa's economy. Looking for color and creativity? Nairobi doesn't disappoint. The Maasai Market is a treasure trove of handmade jewelry, fabric, and art. And if you're lucky, you'll catch live dance battles or soulful performances that speak to Kenya's rich heritage. Only in Nairobi can you see wild lions and rhinos with skyscrapers as their backdrop. Nairobi National Park is just a short drive from the city center. No other capital in the world offers a wild safari this close to urban life. These aren't your average buses. Nairobi's matatus are loud, flashy, and full of attitude. Covered in murals of celebrities, athletes, and messages of pride, they're not just transport, they're an art form. Each ride is an experience, with booming music, neon lights, and sometimes even Wi-Fi. You haven't really visited Nairobi until you've tasted nyama choma, roasted meat served hot and spicy. Pair it with ugali, sukuma wiki, or chapati, and you've got a meal worth traveling for. Don't forget to try street snacks like samosas, roasted maize, or a hot cup of Kenyan chai. When the sun sets, Nairobi comes alive in a whole new way. From Afro beat lounges to rooftop cocktail bars, the nightlife here is as diverse as its people. Whether you're dancing in Westlands or vibing in Karen, the night is always young in Nairobi. Nairobi is more than just a city. It's a rhythm, a spirit, a fusion of tradition and tomorrow. It's where East Africa comes alive, full of hustle, hope, and heart. If you're dreaming of Africa, make Nairobi your first stop. And if you've been here before, you already know why it's unforgettable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unseen African tales. This is Africa Tales Unseen, bringing you the beauty, the culture, and the soul of Africa like never before. Comment below. What part of Nairobi are you most excited to visit?